Done Right Drywall Repair. My name is Joseph Graham, and what you're looking at, my friend, is called the heat map. Now, when someone searches online for any drywall service, they're going to get results. Okay. Now, when those results pull up three top businesses in these map listings, these businesses in here are going to get 70% of the phone calls. 70%, 70 to 74%. All right. Now this shows in a particular area if someone makes a search for that where you appear. So everywhere where you're a 1, 2, and 3, you're going to appear in those map listings. But if you're like 4 and back, you are not going to appear. So just take Decatur. So in Decatur, you're the 11th map listing or business to be seen, right? They have to really look for you, which means there's like 10 other businesses on top of you that they have to go through first just to find you. So I'm going to discuss in the next video how you can start turning these areas green, start ranking 1, 2, and 3 in the map listings. And what this is going to do is generate more calls and get you more sales. All right.